Hey everyone, it's Adriana from Let's Make It Academy, and in this video I'm going to explain to you why I chose the Juki industrial sewing machine, that is the DDL 8700H, instead of the regular Juki DDL 8700, and how I use it as both the regular 8700 and the H, because I do some changing of the foot pedals here. So if you're considering buying the Juki industrial sewing machine, I hope this video helps you in making your decision. So on the front of the machine here, by the manufacturing number, you'll see the H, which I'm sure you know stands for heavy duty, and it is amazing. It's a workhorse. It sews through some plastics I'm using to create stuff. It sews through vinyls, tons of layers of fabrics. It's really amazing. I can't speak more highly of this machine. So before I bought this beautiful machine, I did keep looking at used ones. Like, I kept going onto eBay and especially Facebook Marketplace for somewhere close where I could just go pick it up. And I got to tell you, I don't think these go down in value at all, because they were only $100 or $200 less used as opposed to a brand new one. So of course, for me, I thought I'd rather have a brand new instead of having a used one. Anyway, you have to put it together all by yourself. And there are so many videos out on YouTube that show you so many features on how to do things, how to thread the bobbin, you name it. So this video isn't about that. This video is just to show you how I use it as both the H and the regular model. So let's get into it. So here are all the original pieces that came with the machine. I gotta say, the finger guard does bother me when I'm trying to thread the machine. I really struggle. That's the only thing. That's a negative for me. There's the thick heavy duty needle there, and the foot plate. Everything is there, all heavy duty. So what I did is I bought the extra pieces of these, so that I'm going to switch it for you right here on video so that you can see how I switch it right over so that it acts like a DDL 8700, meaning I can sew some heavy materials, my plastics, vinyls, whatever I want. And then when I make this little switch here, I can sew thinner fabrics, really light fabrics, and it works just like a regular industrial sewing machine. So making this switch is actually really super simple. The only challenging part that I find is to not lose the screws or drop them. So I do have a magnet on the side that I sort of stick the screws on as I'm making this change. But other than that, it's really quite simple. Next, I'm going to switch out the feed dog. Next, I'm going to add this new feed dog and this new plate here, and this is designed for regular fabrics, and I've linked all of this below in the description, so if you're considering it, go ahead and check out those links as well. I like to sew with this presser foot here. It's the silicone one, and especially when sewing my vinyls, and I know now I'm changing it to the thinner fabrics, but when I'm sewing my vinyls or any thick fabric, I find that this feeds the fabric in so much smoother. And this is the thinner needle for the regular fabrics, my cottons, even light denims. And this is it. You just undo the screw, feed in the thinner needle, and you're good to go. And now you just thread the machine with your thinner thread or your regular polyester thread. And now this works as a regular DDL 8700. And I keep everything in my little drawer here on the side. So I hope this video helps you. If you're considering buying a Juki industrial sewing machine, this is why I made my decision with the H, where I am able to sew leathers, vinyls, and all that heavy duty stuff, even like a bunch of layers of regular fabric, because it is a heavy duty machine. And then I can switch it over to the regular DDL 8700, where I'm sewing thin cottons, even like silky materials. I hope this video helped you, and remember, I linked everything I purchased right down below in the description of this video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments and I will answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching my video, and if you love any kind of sewing tutorials, go ahead and check out my channel and give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.